Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And you guessed it, for today's YouTube unboxing, I have from Metro PCS by T-Mobile the N10 OnePlus phone. Oh yes. And just letting you know, it's already been opened because they set it up for me. And you know, when they set up a new phone, they have to open it up for you there. So I told the nice lady to put it back for me. So first thing we get here is I guess this would be the SIM card thing, which obviously is already installed on the phone. And you got like the SIM ejection tool. I guess this is like a warranty terms and conditions. You got a thick ass book thing here. That's pretty cool. Tells you everything about the phone. Oh yeah, and it has NFC apparently, which is actually great. That way I can use my Sony headphones immediately, you know. And let's see, here's the phone itself. Oh, there it is in all its glory. You can see there. Has the OnePlus stuff. Let's put us. Oh no, wait, I can't put a song. Whoops. I don't want to get a strike from YouTube. But yeah, the back 64 megapixels camera, 128 storage, 6 gigs of RAM, and it has the touch sensor right here. Over here it has the power button on the side, the rocker. Here's the volume rocker over here. And yeah, here's the sensor thing. So say for instance I turn off the phone and I wanna, oh that was fast. Anyways, let me, if you go down here to about phone, it tells you all the specs on the phone. It's a Snapdragon 690, 6 gigabyte RAM plus 128 gig ROM. It has 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel quad camera, which is spectacular. Screen size, this has 90 Hz refresh rate, 6.49 Full HD plus display. But hold on just a minute. There we go. That's what I was looking at. Yeah. And I was using the flashlight earlier, and I was impressed. The flashlight is spectacular. Device name, OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Oh, Android 10. But it uses the Oxygen operating system from from OnePlus. And Yeah. It has headphone jack 3.5 right there. I don't know if you can see it. It has two speakers which sound fantastic because I heard the sound and I was blown away with the sound quality, 3D sound quality. And it's USB Type C because all modern phones have USB Type C. And I'm glad that they put a 3.5 millimeter jack on the phone because that's fantastic too. Not like I think Samsung and Apple are the only ones that you have to purchase an adapter to do that. Let's see what else you get. You get whatever that is, I guess. Here is the wow USB and USB Type C. Oh yeah, and I believe this has a 5,000 milliamp battery if I'm not mistaken. So let me go to settings, battery. Uh, it has a turn on battery saver, battery optimization, optimize charging pattern according to your usage habits to reduce battery loads and extended battery life. Last full charge 130 minutes ago. 103 minutes ago. Screen usage since full charge 1 hour and 26 minutes. It doesn't say how many. I'm surprised it doesn't say here on the display. It usually says. Hmm. Anyways, I think it's 5,000 milliamp battery, so that's good enough for me. Oh wait, let's ask Google. That's right. Hey Google. Hey Google. Does the OnePlus N10 have a 5,000 milliamp battery?
According to Android Central, if you run out of charge, though, the OnePlus Nord N10 5G's brilliant Warp Charge 30T will power your phone back to 100% in no time at all. One of the Nord N200 5G's saving graces is its generous 5,000 mAh battery. On paper, the Nord N10 5G has better quad cameras headlined by the main 6.4 MP lens.
And there you have it, folks. That was Google itself telling you how spectacular this OnePlus phone is. And last but not least, we get the big ass power brick. Well, warp charge OnePlus. And well, guys, oh yeah, one more thing. I got this speaker for free and I got this speaker for free. This one I got it at Macy's for buying cologne, but this one I got it at Metro PCS for B. And I got a free screen protector as well. You can't tell because it's clear, but this speaker sounds fantastic. It's called the One Beat 360. It does 18-hour playtime, splash and dust proof, built-in carrying strap, linked to multiple speakers, and it has a 360 all around. Not that I was gonna do an unboxing on the speaker because I've done too many already. But yeah, that's basically everything from the OnePlus. Yep, that's everything. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.